As a citizen of Crete, we are very much engaged with our island, with our environment. So this was actually a motivation that every one of us has to take action towards fighting climate change. Compose is an initiative that brings together 11 countries with partners with multidisciplinary and complementary expertise that had a vision to help small, medium municipalities to tackle their challenges towards climate change and energy transition. The key legacy of the Compose is a web-based practical toolbox. It's free, it's online. The idea is to help decision makers to understand what steps they have to take, how to assess the solutions that are presented by different technology providers, and how to go to an holistic approach, not just a technical result, not just cost, but also which will be the socio-economic result for their people.